Welcome back to my channel, guys. I hope you're all doing great because it is the season of holidays and festivities, and I cannot tell you how happy I am to create different sort of looks only for you guys. So this look I have created for the Christmas season, and I am so happy the way it has turned out to be. I am definitely stepping out of my comfort zone only for you guys so that you can recreate and explore more and more makeup ideas just the way I am. Trust me guys, this is a look that is extremely wearable. I had thought that I would not be able to wear it for Christmas, but this is the look that I am definitely going to wear for Christmas so that people are going to turn back and ask me how I did this look. And if you want to know how I created this look, please keep on watching, but please take a moment to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. It will really mean the world to me. And now let me show you how I created this look. Like always, I like to do my brows first, and for that I'm going to take the spoolie side first, comb the hair off my brows thoroughly in the same direction as its growth, and then with the pencil side I'm going to first start with the outer corners of my hair, the brows, and make a line so that I get a easy line to fill my brows in. Then I like to move towards the center of my brows, again creating a line on the top and at the bottom, and then following up with the front portion of my brows where I create hair-like strokes so that they look a little bit more natural. Then with the sponge sort of a thing that comes with the pencil, I just like to press it all over my brows so that whatever areas that are remaining to be filled just gets filled completely with this. Then I like to take my concealer crayon. This is from PAC, and what I like to do is run it all over my eyelid, and then with a flat brush, this is again from PAC and the number is 205, I like to just spread it evenly so that I get a clean canvas to work my eyeshadows and my eye makeup on. I also like to run the damp beauty sponge all over my eyelid so that I get an even base and I do not have uneven products all over my eyelid. Now I'm taking a fluffy brush, and this shade from the palette, you can take any nude shade from any palette you like, and I'm just going to apply it from my natural crease all the way to the top lash line. For my eyeliner, I'm going to use the AMC Gel Eyeliner, and this is of course in black. I'm going to just gently take it, actually generously take it on my brush and create an eyeliner. You can see it's a generously thick eyeliner because we want the green eyeliner to stand out, the green glitter to stand out, and if we have a really thin eyeliner, then our glitter will not stand out and it'll probably just hide behind our lashes, and that's why I am applying a thick eyeliner. Now I have also applied a few drops of the Duraline mixing agent that is also from Inglot in this eyeliner for that smoothest application. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep a liquid eyeliner handy and the glitter so that I can just work in small sections. Before my glitter dries out, I'm going to apply it on the liquid eyeliner till it's wet. So guys, I have realized that the liquid eyeliner is not really required because the Inglot eyeliner that I've applied is still a little wet. However, I do not want any empty spaces, and that is why I'm reapplying the liquid eyeliner on top of the gel eyeliner so that the glitter sticks properly. Now I'm going to curl my lashes, apply some mascara and wear a pair of falsies. The mascara that I'm wearing today is from Maybelline and this is called the Hyper Curl. And the pair of lashes that I'm going to wear today are from Kingdom of Lashes and they are called Melody. Okay guys, I am loving this look so far and I'm so excited to wear the red lipstick. So let's just find out how the entire look turns out to be. Now, one tip I really want to give you guys about glitter is if you have any fallout from the glitter on your face, then you can just take a sellotape or a tape and you can just gently pick it up and it'll stick on the tape. Please be very gentle and do not try to wax it because that's not what we're looking for. We just want to remove the glitter from the rest of our face. Okay, now let's get started with the rest of our face. To prime my face, I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Prep HD Color Correcting Face Primer and I'm just going to apply a very less amount of it, only around my nose. Then to correct my face, I'm going to use the Take Cover Concealer. Actually, this is a corrector in the shade Rusty Orange and this is from PAC Cosmetics. And then I'm going to just blend it out with a brush. Now you can see how pigmented this is, guys, and that is why I have taken a very less amount of it. And still I feel I have applied a little bit too much just under my eyes. So what I am going to do is I'm just going to take my blender and just tap it off with the flatter side. I'm just going to run it all over the places where I've applied the orange corrector so it just picks it up. Now for my foundation, I'm trying out the Huda Beauty 4 Filter Foundation Stick and I am in the shade 300N Latte. Well, I have to figure it out right now. I'm trying it out for the first time with you guys. So I'm not very sure, but with the liquid foundation, this is my foundation color. So I hope this is a perfect match for me. I am pretty happy, guys, because it looks pretty well matched. Now to blend it out, I'm going to take the same beauty sponge and just dab, dab, dab everywhere I've applied it. Now this foundation is not very pigmented like the liquid foundation, so I can see a few areas where the orange corrector is just shouting out. So I'm going to reapply this because it actually is very lightweight as well, and I love this formula as well. Definitely much better to the liquid foundation, guys. For my concealer, I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I'm in the shade Light Medium and I'm going to apply it under my eyes and a little bit on my forehead, on the bridge of my nose and my chin. Then taking my damp beauty blender, I'm going to blend everything together. Then to give it a little bit more warmth, I am just going to apply the Forever 52 Stick Foundation, and this is in the shade Spelt. Since we're working with cream products right now, I am going to apply a liquid glow highlighter from PAC Cosmetics on the highest points of my cheeks. And then to blend it out, I'm taking my damp beauty blender and just blending everything together. Then to set everything together, I am taking the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Powder in the shade Banana Bread. Setting it in those places where I have applied the concealer and not on top of the cream contour. Now what I'm going to do is I'm only going to press it so that it sinks into my skin. And then whatever powder is left on my face, I'm just going to take a brush and dust it off lightly. Also going to apply whatever is there on the brush along my smile lines and my forehead, because here are the places where we tend to get a little oily. Now to finish off my eyes, I'm going to apply the same mascara in my lower lashes. To add a little bit warmth, I'm going to use the Forever 52 Butter Blush Palette, and I'm going to use the brown shade as my contouring powder. And I'm going to apply a very less amount of it because this does have a little bit sheen, and yeah, we don't want to look too bronzy and shiny during the day or night, do we? And now I'm going to apply a highlighter. This is from Juvias Place and this is called the Nefertiti. Going back to the Forever 52 blush palette and taking the pink color from the palette, I'm going to apply it on the highest points of my cheek. Now the reason why I applied the blush after the highlighter is so that I don't get a harsh line over here, and that's why I like to apply the highlighter so that it gets a little blended. I'm also going to apply a little bit Nefertiti in the innermost corners of my eye so that they look a little bit more complete. Now, you know, I always like to clean my lips before I apply a lipstick because I have a little bit foundation and a little bit powder on my lips, so the application of my lipsticks is not very smooth, and I would recommend you to do that as well. And also it changes a little bit of the color, because you guys know if you add a little bit foundation to whatever color, like a lipstick or whatever, it will lighten up the color of the lipstick. And that's why I like to clean my lips. Do you see how much difference it is on the top and the bottom lips? Now I've created a rough outline with the red enriched lip liner from MAC. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my liquid lipstick. This is from Meet Matte Hues in the shade Loyal, and I'm going to apply it. Now I'm going to take my liquid lipstick from Meet Matte Hues in the shade Loyal, and I'm going to work in small sections. The reason that I work in small sections is that this lipstick dries out pretty fast, and I will also keep my lip liner handy so I can blend out the harsh edges in the end. So this is my final look, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you liked this look, and I really hope you can wear this look, because honestly, this look is so wearable. You can just remove the green glitter and apply black glitter if you want. You can wear it for New Year's if you like, but please don't forget to tag me on my Instagram page so that I can repost you guys and I can feel happy about the things and the looks that you create after watching my video. Before I leave, I want to wish you a Merry Christmas and a very, very Happy New Year. We all are looking forward to the next year, hoping good things are gonna happen. But I will see you very soon in my next video. Till then, take care and thank you so much for watching, and happy holidays. I love you all.